Macro traders, here we are. I'm Domenico, and I'm bringing you my institutional vision on global markets. Get ready, because today we are analyzing why ICP is revolutionizing blockchain and is the ultimate decentralized cloud that crushes Ethereum and Solana. Hey everyone, welcome back, where we will deep dive into the crypto world that's changing everything. Today, we're talking about something that's not just another blockchain, it's a game changer. Imagine a network that doesn't just handle transactions, it runs entire apps, stores data, and even serves websites all on chain. No more relying on centralized clouds like AWS. We're talking about Internet Computer or ICP, the blockchain that's evolved into a full blown decentralized cloud platform. If you are tired of hearing the same old TPS wars, stick around because ICP is rewriting the rules. By the end of this video, you'll see why this could be the future of Web3. Let's jump into it. First off, look at the raw power behind ICP. The latest dashboard metrics are insane, off the charts. They show why this isn't your average blockchain. We're talking about a network that's distributed, secure, and scalable on a whole new level. Check this out. ICP generates about 5,838 per day in network activity value. That's real economic juice flowing through the system. It's spread across 47 subnets in 32 countries worldwide. Decentralization on steroids. Powering it all, 701 node machines run by 94 independent providers in 85 data centers. No single point of failure here, folks. Now get this. ICP handles 804,640 Ethereum equivalent transactions per second. That's a unique way to measure compute capacity compared to Ethereum. Think of it as turbocharged processing power. On top of that 3,747 native transactions per second and a whopping 79,077 million instructions executed per second, this isn't just about moving tokens. It's about raw, networked computation that can power complex apps right on the blockchain, fully decentralized. And if you're thinking, wow, how does this stack up against the big players? Great question. Let's break that down. All right, let's put ICP in the ring with the heavyweights. You know, Bitcoin DOG, the benchmark for secure digital money. It chugs along at 7 TPS, solid for payments, but ICP blows past it in throughput and goes way beyond just money transfers. Then there's Ethereum's layer 1, the king of smart contracts and DeFi, sitting at 15, 20 TPS. It's foundational, but it's bottlenecked by speed and the sky-high gas fees. ICP, thousands of times more capacity, and it runs dApps natively on-chain without any hassle. Solana enters the chat with around 4,000 TPS, in practice super fast for high throughput transactions and quick settlements. ICP is right there in the same ballpark in regards to C, but it levels up with replicated state, canister smart contracts, and web scale compute that Solana doesn't touch. What about Polkadot or Cosmos? They're built for interoperability with multiple chains talking to each other. Cool, but ICP consolidates everything into one stack. No need for external hubs or off-chain services. It's like having an all-in-one powerhouse. See what I mean? ICP isn't just competing, it's expanding the battlefield. Now, guys, let's talk about scaling. Ethereum's layer 2 solutions are killing it for boosted performance. Arbitrum, Optimism hit 2,000, 4,000 TPS with rollups anchored back to Ethereum. ZK Sync and Starknet, they're pushing towards 10,000 TPS using zero knowledge proofs. Impressive, right? But here's a catch. This is where ICP pulls ahead. Layer 2 still depend on Ethereum's layer 1 for final settlement. Data availability and execution, often off-chain or semi-centralized, and storage or web hosting, that's usually handled outside the blockchain altogether. on centralized servers. ICP flips the script. 3,747 TPS natively, plus that massive 804,000 Ethereum equivalent compute capacity. Everything, execution, storage, app hosting, everything happens directly on chain. That's the key. No dependencies on centralized servers like AWS, no external servers at all. It's fully decentralized end to end. And if you ever dealt with L2 bridging, headaches or off-chain risks are prominent. And ICP eliminates that noise. This is blockchain scaling done right. So guys, what makes ICP truly different? While most chains brag about transactions per second, ICP redefines the entire paradigm. It's not just a ledger, it's a decentralized cloud platform. On-chain compute, canister smart contracts, handle complex logic with blazing performance, no limits. On-chain storage, data lives right in those replicated subnets, never offloaded to risky third parties. On-chain web serving, yeah, you heard that right. Entire websites and dApps hosted straight from the blockchain. No more centralized hosting vulnerabilities. ICP competes head on with Web 2 giants like cloud infrastructure, but with blockchain superpowers, decentralization, transparency, and censorship resistance. It's like AWS met blockchain and had a super baby. And if you're building in Web 3, this changes everything. Total game changer. Let's sum it up in one killer takeaway. Bitcoin, digital money. Ethereum, decentralized finance and smart contracts. Solana, high-speed transactions. L2s, Ethereum scaling sidekicks. ICP, the blockchain cloud. Compute, storage, and web hosting, all fully decentralized. ICP isn't just playing the TPS game, it's redefining what blockchains can do. If this got you pumped about the future of crypto, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and drop a comment. What's your take on ICP, bullish or bearish? Let me know below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and peace out.